special day is on 1st February. I am 7 years old. I live in Gudivada. My lovely parents. My father's name is Praveen. My mother's name is Rani. With my lovely sisters. This is me. My sister's name is Rasya Prajwala. My lovely parents. My father's name is Praveen. My mother's name is Rani. My sister's name is Rasya Prajwala. My name is Bhavishya. My daddy is physics teacher. My mother is housewife. My favorite flower is lotus. My favorite fruit is pineapple. My favorite animal is cheetah. My favorite bird is parrot. My favorite place is Charminar. My favorite game is shuttle. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is chicken biryani. My hobbies are drawing, painting. My handprint. My favorite color is pink. I want to become a doctor. Thank you.